Hello everyone, good morning. Welcome back to channel Learn Tech with Kiran. Let's discuss leftmost derivation, rightmost derivation and parse tree for a given string using specified context-free grammar. Okay, so here you can see these are the string we have to generate. Okay, so let's start the session with bbaaba string. Okay, here you can see this is the string we have to generate and here is your context free grammar with their equation number. Okay, now let's start with a leftmost derivation first. Now leftmost derivation is nothing but we have to substitute our leftmost variable in each substitution or in each derivation. Now we have to generate a string bbaaba. You can see over here our string is start with b, so that's why we have to substitute our start symbol which is start from a b. Now we substitute our we use a start symbol as and substitution is b and a. Okay, so here you can see I substitute this as a ba. Now our leftmost variable is over here a, so I have to substitute this a as something like it able to generate a ba string. Okay, so that's why I'm substituting this a with a production rule number 5. After substitution or after derivation this string become like this. Okay, so bb is already generated. Now we have to generate a, so that's why we have to substitute this a as something like it able to generate a, but you can see over here we have to again generate ab over here also. So basically we have to generate this whole string a ba from this to a. Okay, now I am going to substitute this a as a fourth equation which is nothing but as, because with the help of s I able to generate a b and this b is substituted to the b. So that's why I am substituting this a with a fourth equation which is nothing but a s. Okay, so after this derivation my string become bba s and a. Now in next derivation we have to substitute leftmost variable which is a s, so I am substituting this s as something it able to generate a and b. Okay, so here you can see this is a first derivation rule. In this we able to generate a and b here, so that's why I am substituting with a first derivation rule. Okay, so here you can see this s is substituted with a and b. bba string is already generated. Now we have to just generate a b and a from this b variable and this a variable. So simply I am going to substitute leftmost variable which is b by production rule number 6. Okay, so this b variable is substituted by b terminal value. Here you can see after substitution of b with a b terminal by using reference number 6, now we just have to generate a remaining a, so that's why I'm substituting this a variable with a terminal value a as per a third rule. Okay, so here you can see our string is generated with the help of leftmost derivation. Now the same string we have to generate with the help of rightmost derivation. So similarly we have to start from same string or a same substitution rule, because we have to start our string from a b. If I use this it is not able to start with a b, so that's why I'm substituting with this. Okay, now we have to substitute rightmost variable with a terminal or combination of terminal and non-terminal. This is a there is a only one single variable present over here, so that's why we have to substitute. It is something like that it is able to generate a this thing, so that's why I am going to substitute this a with a fifth rule as we substituted in above derivation also. Okay, now after a derivation this string become a bbaaa. Now in the leftmost derivation we substitute our leftmost variable as we derive a string using rightmost derivation, so that's why we have to substitute our rightmost variable first in each derivation. Okay, so that's why I'm going to substitute this a. So basically we have to substitute this a as something like it able to generate a or ba. Okay, so that's why I am substituting this a with a value only. Okay, as per our third rule, so that's why I am substituting this a with a terminal a. Now we have to substitute this a as something like it able to generate a b. So let's check a substitution for a where we able to generate a b string. So Here you can see after using fourth derivation we able to substitute this a as a and s. After this we able to substitute this s with a b. Okay. So that's why I'm substituting this a as a and s as per fourth rule. Okay. After derivation our string become a bba, s is a variable and now a is something inherited as it is. Okay. Now our bba, this is a string already generated and this a also generated. Okay, so we have to substitute this s as something it able to generate a and b. Here you can see as per first derivation rule we able to generate a string similar like this because this b is substituted as b terminal. Okay, so that's why we substitute this s as a and b over here as per first rule. Okay, after this derivation our string become a bba, b is a non-terminal and this a is similar like above string. Okay, now we have to substitute again this b or a rightmost variable with a small b or a terminal b. Okay, as per our sixth rules. So here you can see bba, the same string is generated by using our rightmost derivation. Okay, now let's generate a derivation tree or a parse tree. So we have to start it from a any starting symbol s or this s, as our string is started from b, correct? So we have to start from this rule only. So that's why I am substituting this s as a b and a. Okay, now we are going to substitute this a as something like baa. Okay, so that's why we substitute this as a ba. Then we have to substitute again this a and this a as something like it able to generate a remaining string. So that's why I am substituting this a with a value and s value as per our fourth rule. Now after this substitution we have to substitute this s as a ab. Okay, so I am substituting this a and b. Till this our bbaa is already generated. Now we have to generate a remaining string which is b and a. So that's why I am substituting this b as a small b or a terminal b and this a as a small a or a terminal a. So here you can see bbaaba. This string is generated from this given parse tree or from this derivation tree. Okay. I hope you understand the process of leftmost derivation, rightmost derivation and parse tree. That's it for today's session. I hope you understand the concept of leftmost derivation, rightmost derivation and parse tree. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.